Right now we're gonna go over some bumps and dips. Watch this. You can already feel it right
Lord.
now. Look at that. Look at that.
Wow. The phone didn't move a bit.
We got this new product here from our friends over in China from a company called Vixseed, and this is a magnetic car mount that's specifically designed for a Model 3 or Model Y Tesla, and it could hold your phone. It is up on Amazon. We'll give you the details down below in our description, and we're gonna do an unboxing video here for you guys to see. So here's what the box looks like that we got it in. I guess perhaps the shipping folks didn't handle the product too well and the box got a little beat up, but hopefully the content inside is still fine. So let's open this product for you guys here. Taking off this tape at the top. Let's see here. This is pretty cool metallic piece right here. We'll look specifically at what it does in a bit. So it's in this box. So we have these sticker type products here. Stickers also here. Let's see what we have in here. Cloth for cleaning, looks like. Let's put this to the side. What do we have here? So here we have, okay, this looks like it's getting into the mounting already. Looks like maybe this is gonna go something like that. We'll look at the instructions here in a minute. So here's a little manual that we'll be reading. And it's nice. Vixseed has their website and their email address here, and they'll help out with any issues we have. So this is pretty cool. Matchup cards. So it looks like we're going to need this to align the mount when assembling. So let's look at the instructions here. So we can see the installation instructions here on the manual, and it gives a good idea of what the final product's going to look like. So you can put that metal ring at the back of your phone or the phone case that your phone is in, and you could use that alignment tool we saw earlier to make sure you put it on exactly where it should be. And then on the back here, it gives instructions on how to actually assemble the mount, the little pieces we saw earlier. And it tells you what each part of the assembly is called here. Then it shows how you install the mount to the back of the screen of your Tesla Model 3 or Model Y. And then once your mount is installed, and you can see that it's very versatile, you could attach your phone to it. And it's a very convenient spot to put your phone right next to your screen of your Tesla Model 3 or Model Y. Let us know what you guys think. If you guys are interested in this product, we have the link down below, and we're gonna definitely be using this ourselves, and we'll have videos on that in the future. So here you can see everything you get in the box. We've taken out the cardboard holders of some of these equipment and some of the plastic wraps they came in, but you can see everything here. So this is what you'll get in the box of this Vixseed car mount.
Now we're gonna test out the Vixseed product in our Tesla Model 3. So we got it back here, so you can't see it now. Yeah, it's not visible from this angle, or it's not visible from my angle either, but it's behind here, and we flip it over like that. Look at that right there. You could actually play with this right here, like there's a ball bearing right there, and we stick our phone. You see we attach the magnet strip in the back, Boom. We stick it like that, stick it out, and we're ready to roll. Let's go. So we're driving right now, and as you can see, the phone's still attached pretty well. Like that.
Very bumpy.
Right. The Vixie mount right here is able to handle these bumps pretty well. Now we're gonna go on an even bumpier part.
Doesn't even feel like we're on a paved road, but we are. And it's very, very, very uneven, and the phone mount is doing fine.
Yeah, and right now we're gonna go over some bumps and dips. Watch this. You can already feel it right
Lord.
now. Look at that. Look at that.
Wow. The phone didn't move a bit.
That's Vixie for you. Check them out. Link below.